Hey YouTube, welcome back. So this is just going to be a quick unwrapping for you guys to check it out. I'm not sure what my wife picked up anyway. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. So you got 5, 10, 15, 20, 21. Oh. Seems like somebody's turning 21. Size large. It's a black tea. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out this one. It says 25 larger sheets, natural oil absorber sheets, 100 sheets. So I'm not sure why it's one in black, one in like a greenish color. And then there's a thank you card. So yeah, my wife was saying this is cheaper than Sephora. Also, this one has a green tea fragrance. This is what it look like. Oh yeah, it does smell like green tea. This one's the premium bamboo charcoal. Yeah, it does smell like bamboo. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.